Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'll show you how to keep your Taobao Chinese shopping app up to date and get access to some of the new features on Taobao Chinese shopping app as a result of new update. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. Let me show you on how to simply keep your Taobao Chinese shopping app up to date. Quite a lot number of people that use Taobao Chinese shopping app does not really know that they have to update the app in order to stay up to date and at the same time have access to a lot of new features on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you on how you can keep your app up to date. So if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. So if you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. So if you are using iPhone, you can also go to your App Store. Then on getting to your Play Store on Android phone or App Store on iPhone, next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. Then come to the top right there and type in Taobao and hit on search. So as you can see right here, Taobao needs to be updated. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on update right here. After a successful update, it's going to turn to open right here. So simply click on open and you have a new icon right here, and at the same time you have a new homepage design just like what you see right here. So there are a lot of features you can simply explore after you have successfully updated the app. Then you can click on here to go to your profile. Then you see some of the things that have been changed so far in the app as a result of new updates right here. You can swipe and check on some of the new icons that have been changed. Then go to the message right here. You have everything right here, and it's that simple. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to look up right here. So basically, this is how to simply update your Taobao shopping app, or how you can keep your Taobao app up to date. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.